can't believe I'm gonna meet Taylor Swift.
Uh-huh.
When can I take off the blindfold?
Not till we're inside. You know, she doesn't want anybody to know where she lives.
This is Miley's house?
Miley, I've never seen you so down. What's wrong?
I just can't talk about it. I'm out of here.
Wait. Something terrible must have happened. Let's go find out. Miley, talk to us, please.
I didn't get the part.
Oh!
Which would mean that I failed.
Oh! Looks like somebody needs a big hug right now.
Okay, you know what? Look. Miley, I'm sorry you didn't get the part. But I mean, let's face it, you'll get the next one. And the next one after that. And I'm not sure I can be around that anymore.
What? I poured ice water down a Rob Reiner shirt for you, and you don't know if you can be around that anymore?
You what?
She tanked the audition, Oliver.
You what?
I gave up Indiana Jones so you'd stay my friend.
You what?
But if you say you what again, ice water's going down your pants.
Well, thanks a lot.
Okay, I'm lost. What's the problem now?
Miley, I'll tell you what the problem is. I mean, how am I supposed to walk away from someone who would do something like that for me?
I guess you're not?
Aww.
So, you promise you won't get upset next time that I get something and you don't?
Sure I will. And it'll be hard, but... You know, not nearly as hard as losing a friend like you.
Double aww.
You gave up a part of a lifetime for me.
I know.
Miley, this could have made you a movie star.
I know.
You know what? I just heard they cast Chase Crawford as Eddie. Nothing, friends? Huh?
Get Rob Reiner on the phone now.
Already on it?